Hi, my name is Brian Wolfram with the Henderson Firefighters Benevolent Association. We're in our final day partnering with Rebuild Together on our volunteer house. We're putting out the landscaping fabric and the rocks. As you can see, we've got a whole bunch of people from the explorers, from the fire department, from the community, helping clean up this house. We've been 3 days working on this project now, and this is the final process. And we're just about complete, and we're excited to be able to help the community.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Too far, too far. Too far, too much.
My name's Sean Fox, and I'm the home ambassador. And what my job was really to be the person that went and talked to Georgia and kind of kept Georgia in the loop of what's happening. But I've also been doing a lot of fun things with just like right now with the media and all the other things that we've been able to do. Really very fortunate to be here. I think this has really helped not only Georgia and her family, but us as a whole, because I think this community really does need to help other people out, and it just makes you have that pride that really we should have.
Hi, I'm Georgia Rayburn, and I have all these nice people coming in to help me. They're fixing up my yard, they're fixing up my house, and they've done everything under the sun. I just love it. It's so nice. I don't know what to say, but I appreciate everything they've done.